Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can export data from your Zoho CRM. So let's get right into it. Now, most of the data that you can export is usually in lists, and you're going to be exporting CSV files so that you can have those files on your computer, maybe migrate them to another service, or do whatever you want with them. Now, to export this, you just need to go to the module you want to export. You can do this in leads, you can do this in contacts, pretty sure you can do this in accounts, and yes, you can also do this in deals. Pretty much anything that has information or data you can export, and you're going to get your files through there. Now, to export something, I'll use leads as an example. Once you go here, what you need to do is click on actions and then click on export leads, which is near the bottom. Usually the export option is either near the bottom or at the very bottom, so just search for it there, then click on export, and you'll get the option to select which module you want to export, either leads, meetings, notes, maybe even contacts, users, pretty much whatever you need. Then select the custom view, whether you want all leads, all locked leads. I'll just keep it at all leads for an example. Then for the fields, you can select all fields, choose which fields, or fields from custom view. If you select all fields, you can exclude certain ones, which I will not be doing. Then once you've selected everything you want, you click export, and it's going to make a scheduled export here. And once the status changes to completed, as you can see here, you'll get a download link next to the module you try to export. In my case, it's leads, so just click download. You're going to get a zip file with the CSV file of your export, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.